Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen with Jenn Scent Click, and if you're new here, welcome. I am so excited because I have a new wax collection that is coming out on Monday, August 12th. I'm so excited. It's called Gourdy Goodness. And look how cutely packaged this is. You got the orange bag with this nice green ribbon. And just look how cute that is. I love it. I love it. So let's dive into this. I am so excited to share this with you guys. So I think what this is, it's a take on our pumpkin roll scent. So if you guys have been with Scentsy for a while, you know that we do scents created around a favorite fragrance. We've had the vanilla bean buttercream, Christmas cottage last Christmas. And I think this is kind of taking in a twist to pumpkin roll, because that is the main scent that is back. So we're gonna start with smelling this one. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So pumpkin roll. And what I love about this card, so first of all, it's super cute and fallish. I'm all ready for the fall vibes, and it's, you know, almost 100 degrees today. But yes, so I'm so ready for fall, but yes, it has the cute, you know, fall decorations, pumpkins everywhere, and it gives the description of all the different scents in this collection. So I'm super excited. The collection is going to be $25, and if you guys are interested, just contact me, message me, or I'll have a link down in the description below. But pumpkin roll, we got creamy pumpkin pie, filling surrounded with yellow cake, pecan butter, and spice. So pumpkin pie, yellow cake, pecan butter, and spice. Pecan, however you say it. I say it both ways, honestly, I think. But here we go. So I remember this scent from when I first started joining Scentsy back in 2017. I'm so excited. It's my 7-year anniversary, I think. Yes, 7-year anniversary of August 20th. So we are fastly approaching that anniversary, and I just remember this. I just remember the scent in my collection when I got my testers and all that fun stuff. So pumpkin roll. It smells very bakery. So I get the sweetness and like that cake scent on the bottom note. As I always say, you guys need to take the whole wax bar out of the clamshell so you can get a whole all the different notes that are in this, because the top notes are going to be on the top, your base notes are going to be on the bottom, and they smell completely different. It's so good. It's such a good light fall scent. Very pumpkin-y. Like I said, I believe this one is a bakery scent. It doesn't state which scent family this is, but I believe this is a bakery scent. So good. Love it. So next one I got is, we've got pumpkin sticky bun. Love this. Now, if you follow me on my Facebook page, I'll have a link below, but I love the sticky cinnamon bun scent. It is my favorite. It's in my Scentsy club. So this, I hope, kind of smells like this. It's called pumpkin sticky bun. Sticky bun. So we have savor a bite of rich pumpkin and pecan drizzled with coconut cream. Very interesting with the coconut cream. Ooh, that's different. I don't really, it's very light to me. I don't know if I smell anything in here. I mean, I smell it, but it's super light. There's the bakery, like that pecan and something kind of weird, honestly. Maybe it's the coconut cream. This one's kind of different. I don't know. I think I'm used to like that cinnamon, like sweetness, and I'm not getting that with this one. This would be interesting to warm up. I'm not sure how that one would do. So I'd probably say this is not one of my favorites, but like I do in all my videos, I'll rank them. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think this is definitely when I need to warm up before I can make my final decision on it. So we're gonna go on to the next one though. It is called Spice and Spirited. It is a weird green fallish color, almost like a brownish color. So interesting. It kind of matches my like flannel. I had to wear a flannel for this, even though it's like 100 degrees outside. But we got spiced and spirited. So delight the hearty pumpkin, brown sugar, and a splash of smooth bourbon. Ooh. So we pumpkin, brown sugar, and bourbon. A splash of bourbon. Okay, okay. Very manly in a bakery type of way. Usually when you think of manly scents, you're thinking of like those fresh, like bathroom scenes, but this is very cigar-like type room. It's not smoky, you don't get that cigar, but you get the bourbon in it. Ooh, I'm kind of excited to warm this one. I think Stu's gonna want this in his room. This would be good. This is, yeah. I'm feeling this one. I'm liking this one. The more I smell it, the more I'm liking it. I'm envisioning just chilling in like a very manly room, like a cigar lounge. Stu's room is very gamey. It have all the Star Wars stuff in it. Like this would be perfect in that room. It has like this really cool like gray walls. Yeah, this is definitely like a man's lounge type of scent. So good. Or if you have like a bar down in the basement or just a bar, like this is a good scent for that. I'm really digging this one. Actually, I'm surprised how much I like this. So good, so good. All right, we got two more. So the next one I got here is Very Good Pumpkin. Oh, I gotta clean out my nose. So we have Very Good Pumpkin. I'm digging this color. I love it. It's nice, fallish red, like burgundy color. So Very Good Pumpkin. Prize-winning pumpkin infused with sun-ripened berries and autumn spices. Oh, there's all your berries and your sweetness right there, right on the top note. Popping it out. Oh my goodness, this smells delicious. Oh, this kind of reminds me of a fallish Jubilee. We had a scent in July, maybe June, Jam and Jubilee. Like that was a very, very like summery type of like pie filling scent. This reminds me a lot of this, but very fallish. Like your dark berries and very like the cinnamon, like not cinnamon, but like that pumpkin is like in there. I'm liking this one. This is gonna be a good kitchen scent. Oh, okay, I'm just envisioning this warming up in my kitchen on a nice cool fall evening, but it's technically still like not fall, it's summer. Ooh, yeah, this is definitely going into the kitchen when we can have the windows open. We have a nice cool breeze at night. So good. This kind of reminds me of like potpourri, like if you're like doing your own potpourri on the stove with the cranberries and the oranges and the cinnamon sticks, like this kind of reminds me of that. It's not cinnamony at all, but you definitely get that berries and the spices, so maybe a little bit of clove. Ooh, this is so good. Oh, I cannot wait to warm this up. It's gonna make the kitchen smell so good and nice and fallish. So excited, I cannot wait. All right guys, last but not least, we have Hollow Harvest. Smoke embers and vanilla beans flicker inside a hand-carved pumpkin. Ooh, so we got the smokiness, we got the vanilla-ness, we got a pumpkin. So like when you're putting your candle in your pumpkin, I wonder if that's what it's gonna smell like. Freshen up that nose. All right, here we go. Gorgeous brown color, loving it. I don't know, I love the colors too. It goes with this, the scent. Ooh, it's definitely get that smokiness. There we go. This is good. Oh my goodness. Yes, this smells like, okay, so the first couple nights you're like lighting your pumpkins. This is like the third night, like you open up your pumpkin, you just go to light it, like you get that like scent of like pumpkin and like that smokiness. This is exactly what this smells like. Oh, this smells good. So good. Oh my goodness. I might actually have to warm this up. I might have to carve a pumpkin this Halloween and warm this up in the front room where the pups are at. Gotta be so good. Smells amazing. Oh, you definitely get that smokiness, but it's not like a bonfire, campfire scent. This is just like you have the reminiscence of like just a plain candle going in the pumpkin. So good. These are so different. I love it. Okay, so we have the pumpkin roll, spiced and spirited, pumpkin sticky bun, Hollow Harvest, and Very Good. So like you literally have 5 different scents for fall. You have your pumpkin roll, so your bakery scent. You have the Hollow Harvest, getting that pumpkin ready for the jack-o'-lanterns. Very Good pumpkin is great for the kitchen. Pumpkin sticky bun, I don't know. This one's kind of weird to me. I'm not gonna lie. You guys know that. I will not lie to you guys. If I don't like a scent, I will let you know. I am just not feeling this one, but I can see where you get like the bakery scent. I'm definitely gonna have to warm this up though. I just don't know. I don't know how I feel about this one. So that one's just there. And then you have the spice and spirited. What was in this one again? The bourbon. Yes, this is the bourbon one. And then you have your manly, like, oh my goodness, like a bourbon, like an apple bourbon with some cider. That'd be delicious. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't even know if I can rank these, you guys. Literally, we know sticky bun, pumpkin sticky bun's gonna be on the bottom. Like, that's just how it's gonna be. Pumpkin roll, that's just a good everyday, like, throw that in for fall. Wow. I don't know. I think there's a 3-way tie. They're all so different. They all scream different fall type scents. All right, so I think Hollow Harvest is gonna be number 3. All right, yep. All right, so ranking number 1. Nope, we're gonna go backwards. Number 5, pumpkin sticky bun. We knew this. Number 4, pumpkin roll. Still a great scent. It's perfect for every day. It's just like your baseline scent. It's awesome. Hollow Harvest, love that smokiness. It's just, like I said, very, I don't think I would warm this up as often. This would be like a specialty type warming. Spiced and spirited, I can see this going in Stu's room, so like as I'm walking by it, I'm gonna get that amazing scent. And then we have Very Good pumpkin. Yep, this is going in the kitchen. I can see myself warming this up throughout the season. This is really good. So good. All right guys, so when I warm these up and if anything changes, I will keep you up to date. So keep an eye out for that. Follow me on Facebook so you can see when I'm warming these up and my thoughts. Gorgeous bag, cute orange, love the green in here. Cute little fallish, little tag. So it comes like pre-wrapped, so if you want to use it for a gift. But this launches on August 12th, which is Monday. And that's it, you guys. $25, I believe, for the collection. If you love these scents, you have to put this in your club. It is a limited time offer, so once these are gone, they are gone unless they're in your club. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.